All right, YouTube, we are back with yet another Between Two Clutches, live or semi-live from SEMA.
Dude, we're here at SEMA.
Yeah, living it up.
In Las Vegas, Nevada, planet Earth, USA, Milky Way galaxy.
All right, Geoff, we're coming from the Stuart Warner booth at SEMA, Las Vegas.
We're in Central Hall in Beltec's booth with our 1979, 2014 Bronco situation that we can get into if you want to see it.
We got our Mantic equipped 1970 Dodge Challenger Hellcat project.
Yep, so this is one of our banded editions.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah, so we built 77 of these, all of which are autographed by Burt Reynolds. So this is the cars that we're currently building.
Cool.
So these are based off of the 6th-gen Camaro. Each one of these cars has an estimated about 900 man-hours of labor.
Out here, this is our course. I think once we start to make noise, I think some people are going to stick around, especially when they hear the Vipers. I'm just saying. You got to give the people what they want. They say, what is that sound I hear? That is a Viper. With the quick revs that only you can get with a Mantic clutch.
You know, we walk a fine line between crazy performance and streetability. That's something that Mantic delivers on. A triple disc clutch, capable of handling, 1,300 foot-pounds of torque. You would think that your left leg would get tired. You guys are able to maintain both performance and drivability at the same time, which is something that a lot of other companies can't talk about.
And just make sure all the people out there that follow you and know that if they're buying a clutch, don't be an idiot and buy it from Mantic. Geoff Driscoll specifically. I believe in him. I believe in his beautiful hair, and I believe in his beautiful product.